Medic 1 update. I do have all of the engine fires
Evans,
out
where you
this
at,
time.
bro?
All of them are still smoking,
What do you mean?
however.
Where you at?
And the vehicle is definitely not stabilized at this time.
There's just an engine
freeway.
sitting in the middle of the road.
Are you at the scene?
No.
Then where
Go
are
ahead.
you, bro?
Alright, rescue, pull, or keep coming, pull past scene. You're gonna be stabilization on the truck that's
Oh,
taking
what?
over. Tanker 1, you're gonna be assisting.
2 Bravo 8 to any active fire supervisor.
Go ahead.
Advise at 756 on the intersection of Strawberry and San Andreas. I have an abandoned fire engine. What?
Chief Firm will come look at it in a second.
I'll keep watch of it. Like, what in the hell? What are you up to?
That's frustrating.
Yeah,
Said,
I would be too if there was someone just blocking the way. Love you, good night. Don't wake you up. Can I help you? It is. No. What are you doing, bro?
I want to steal that fire truck, bro.
No, I'm
Unit
watching
Command,
it just for him.
we
I
have
will
a
shoot
car
you.
that's knocked off to the bottom of the freeway. Stand by.
do it.
You do that and I'm pushing my panic, I swear to God.
How if you're shot?
Watch me.
Yeah.
I swear to God, I don't like this. I will call for an additional right now.
Get it, go! You're dead, you can't push a panic.
I don't give a fuck.
Panic
Zo, Bozo.
CVE 756 Strawberry Ave / San Andreas Ave.
And just like that, no one responds in radio. I love it.
There ain't no way you just did that. There ain't no way. Oh my god.
1 Foxtrot 39, do we have any available units to go to that panic button?
All that. Just act like responding. Oh shoot.
I'm dealing
No, don't watch
with dead
it.
bodies.
Ah, yes.
1 Foxtrot 39, I believe
Sure.
all scenes might,
Oh,
all
hey, Troop C.
might be busy or on scenes.
No one's responding.
Hurry up and go park it before you
What
get
is this
took it
BS?
away. Who's the kill
Oh,
word?
oh, that looks sick.
Yeah, it does.
Anywho.
Wait, is there a cooldown on your panic button?
No.
Panic Unit
Okay.
2V8 CVE
I'm retoggling it.
756 Strawberry Ave / San Andreas Ave.
I'm gonna say I'm barely holding on and just spamming the button.
Well, I mean, I unloaded into your face with an automatic pistol.
I don't give a fuck. This character is never dying.
10-4.
I need to find a place to hide this. Like, cause I'm so restricted.
Hey, there's a tracker in it.
Medic 1 to command.
Where would the tracker be?
Good.
In the bottom.
I'm assuming you're checking on that the black semi truck driver.
I mean, if they don't track it, I think I'm chilling.
Confirm, he's unconscious.
If Trooper
Here, I think
tracks it,
this
that's
truck is going to be our
He's
priority
Panic
for
Unit
our medical care.
2V8 CVE 756 Strawberry Ave / San Andreas
Was it
Ave.
actually? God damn it, man. Well, I'm just gonna go back and grab my truck.
I'm still role-playing this fucker.
Okay,
You did
I'll make sure
choose.
you're dead again.
No! Why? There's no point. No, I'm still RPing. I don't give a fuck. I'm not dying. I am not dying.
Tanker 4 from
I'm
command.
not
You
dying.
stretch a line off to the black semi, catching back on fire.
Run! Run!
Fucking dumb mutt.
Why?
Oh, watch you get warned.
For what?
I don't know. He'll find something. I know he's so mad right now. Cop baiting,
I'm not cop baiting.
but it's in your scene, so you should be good. I just know him so well, and he's gonna try and warn you.
Panic Unit 1A1 756 Strawberry Ave / San Andreas Ave.
His is literally just FD though, and maybe like an LEO or two.
Medic 1 to
I'd
Medic
drive
4,
right
your
back
patient
by.
is trapped.
And hit
Huh?
him all again. I'd
Hey,
drive
Firmus,
by
got the
again
door
and
open.
hit him
If
all
you could
again.
come over here and help me get him out, we'll
See if he
transfer
did he
forward.
revive himself, Tyler?
No, he's dead on the ground.
Mine
Okay.
is also entrapped. Legs are
Time to go park this thing where I found it.
Yeah, has a bleed from the leg. 1 Foxtrot 39 to 1 Adam 1.
He's dead. He's
Panic Unit 2B8 CVE.
Don't let him revive
756
himself.
Strawberry Ave / San Andreas Ave.
oh, he's saying dog does CPR.
Medic
Oh,
1, are you
yeah.
able to come up
I
here?
mean, he's
and
got it.
transport the
That's a good
patient?
roleplay
We're
right
just gonna
there.
try to keep getting
I
patient
mean,
moving.
yeah, but like, I don't know what CPR would do.
The dog's
Hold
not
my
gonna
medic
like
around.
save him though.
Yeah, you got hit by a semi truck. I think
Yeah.
I was going about 60. That scene looks amazing.
Yeah, he has too many injuries that would.
There's a Crown Vic just randomly across the street that's not doing anything but the freaking 2 dead cops sitting in the middle of the road. Who is that? Is that a Group 6 security car?
Where do I have to go?
Oh my god, it is.
Spot 39, show me 10, 7, 10, 42.
It's Kermit.
You too.
Is
there any medics needed?
User disconnected from your channel.
Ditch it in the
1
junkyard.
Foxtrot
That's what I'm
39.
doing.
Seems we've got panic
756
buttons
Strawberry
down
Ave
at
/ San
756.
Andreas Ave.
Might have an officer down. Stand by.
Might?
Alright.
What are you right now?
Zombie, bro.
One Foxtrot 39, 1 Foxtrot 38 on scene.
Just like God, swift escape.
What happened?
I don't fucking know. I was just driving my patrol and I just fucking came across this. I see this guy down, guy in the car down, a dead dog on the fucking back there. Officer, can you hear me?
I hit bodies on top of that car.
Oh, god damn it. That's not good. So there's no one sitting right here for you?
No, he's literally. Oh,
Oh, where's he at now?
no. See one right there.
Oh. Officer, can you hear me?
Bro,
One
someone
Foxtrot
tell
39
fire
medical
to
unit.
cut
We've got
a
2
battery.
officers down at 756. The scene seems to be
You were
clear.
on scene for a whole ass 3
Were you guys roll
minutes, and you didn't, and you're just
Hey, Kurt,
now
we have
calling.
2 patients of our own at the MVA right now.
Oh, come on, you.
Yeah,
You're
medic
a
3, I copy.
criminal.
I'm responding
Right.
to 756. 10-4, thank you.
This is chaos. Who set the cue word?
And medic 1 is transporting one emergent to the close hospital. I'm not sure what it is.
Central. Yeah, Chief, we took Delbot took that.
I'm just gonna step back. You guys are more trained in this than I am.
The impound lot.
Yeah,
We took
thank
that from
you.
SMP.
Oh.